Hi guys. I have a double unboxing. I think this one will have to be quick. This is my granddaughter who's here visiting. She found a bow on a package and made it into hair design. We are going to... Yeah. She's 3 years old. We are going to be opening quickly a small Grove collaborative, and I finally caved after seeing all your unboxings and got a FabFitFun. I have been avoiding watching all the winter box unboxings because I wanted to be surprised. I did open this already. I didn't take anything out. I just looked at it. So we will look at it together. First, Kateri, we're going to open this Grove collaborative box. Always cut away from yourself. Not going to use any of the big box openers with Kateri around. Okay, this is just a little bit of replenishment of my usual faves. Grove Collaborative is a supplier of all natural, some sustainable cleaning products for your home, personal care, and home care. And one thing I always get are these walnut scrubber sponges because they are amazing. I'm using them all the time now. They last a while. So I replenished that with my packing slip, and you know, if I have to send some packages out, they certainly pack these well. We also have, are you going to go get that bubble wrap? All right. We also have, I got some Mrs. Meyer's dryer sheets. They only have these, I think, in lavender and lemon verbena, and lavender is my favorite scent of the two. I can get these in the supermarket, but they're about $2 more for me than they are from Grove Collaborative. They work well as dryer sheets. A spent one also works well in the vacuum to make the vacuum smell better when you vacuum. So I got that. Because some of you used my referral link, I had a little bit extra to spend this month. So I got another one of these. I really like this. This Caldrea spray cleaner. It works fine as a cleaner, and it smells amazing, but it is $10 for a little bottle of it. So without my referral code, I'm not sure I would buy this. I had bought some for Christmas, to clean for Christmas, because it's a special occasion, and I like the smell so much. This is Gilded Balsam Birch, that when I got that referral credit, I got $10 in referral credit, and I said, hey, I'm gonna treat myself and buy another one of these seasonal scents. I don't know if this is available all year long. I suspect it's only available around Christmas time. And the bottle is so pretty too. Grove Collaborative always tapes their liquid supplies so they don't leak on your box, which I like. So I got some of that, and this will shock you. I did not get pine scent this time for my hand soap. I got peppermint scent, which wasn't my favorite of the holiday scents last year, but for some reason, I'm craving peppermint. So for the rest of the Christmas season, we are going to have peppermint soap in the bathroom. Can I juggle? Probably not. These are for some people's stockings. This is rosemary mint bath salts. They're both rosemary mint, just little bath bombs. Oh, they smell wonderful. And these are by Heliotrope, which I've never heard of before. These are bath bombs. Yeah, you going to keep that secret? These are going to be in your mommy's stocking? We'll see. All right, now let's get to FabFitFun. Kateri, we're going to open this box. You want to slide over closer to Grandma? Let's see what's in this FabFitFun box. Kateri is off playing with the bubble wrap right now. I ordered this to see if my daughter would like to get this box as a Christmas present. So I might get her a year subscription. She liked it very much. I liked it, but I don't know if I liked it enough to order it quarterly each year. This box comes quarterly. So let me show you what's in the box. All right, we have some over-the-knee textured socks, which actually I really would like to go with my new Lems boots. We have a Hava Hydration Cream Mask. Now this box, my understanding, is really a mix of all sorts of things, and it does come quarterly. We have, what do you have there, Kateri? Come here.
A sword.
Yes. She is definitely related. That is plastic, if anybody's wondering. She is most definitely related to her Aunt Mary. Okay. We have Thrive Cosmetics Eye Brightener. We have As I said, that's plastic. Elevate 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange essential oils. I feel like I'm being mugged by a knight in the Middle Ages.
Look at that.
This is called Black, B-L-A-Q, an eye mask. That looks interesting to me. We have Avene, I don't know. How would you say that? Hydrance Intense. So is this for hair or is this for your face? This is for skin, for sensitive skin. We have here, oh, a necklace. I'm going to open this. Hang on, I'll open that at the end. That's interesting to me. We have, oh, it is a headscarf, like an earmuff thing, headband, and fingerless glove set. That's really nice for winter. And we have the Mark and Graham throw. And we have a throw that is pretty soft. I like the color, kind of a dark oatmeal color. What would you call this color? Maybe it's a taupe. All right, so this is just a throw, and it's very soft. I'll keep it on the couch for winter, and we could curl up with it around the TV. All right. Let's see what this necklace looks like. I had a real hard time opening that. All right, it's just a simple circle necklace. This is in silver. It's a shiny enough silver that just the light coming through the window. Right now I'm just shooting in natural light coming through the window. I could see a little bit. I had to do a double take to see, was this like a really light gold or silver? It's silver, but the sunshine is sparkling off it. All right, so a very simple, very light chain pendant. Okay, so that's what was in the winter box. Okay, so I will include a link to FabFitFun if you want to try the box. And I will also put a link to the Grove Collaborative. I definitely will be getting more of that. I love Grove Collaborative. That was a very small box, but sometimes I order loads of stuff. I really like here's their, this is empty because my grandson was here and he's a year old and he pulled all the tissues out. They have a bamboo-based tissue and paper towel line that I really like. Instead of made of tree pulp, it's made of bamboo and sugarcane pulp, and I really think they're awesome. So I'll leave the link for Grove Collaborative also below, and I think if you sign up from that link, you get a 5-piece gift set. When you click the link, you will find out if that promotion is still running. So anyway, just 2 boxes, a little bit of a chaotic unboxing because a 3-year-old was here. But I will wish you a Merry Christmas, and I think I will see you for my Advent video on Sunday. Bye-bye.